Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and ready for a cracking week. Today, I'm going to be sharing how to make these super cute embellishments. I have used my new black and white kit with the butterflies and some Tim Holtz paper dolls. I'm on a mission. You will see in a second why. Okay, so guys, last Friday I have shared this freebie here, this page here. I will put the video at the end of this one in case you have missed it, but this freebie was designed taking inspiration from my newest kit, which is called Monochrome Delight. It's a mini kit, so it's only 5 pages, and it's full of lovely vintage black and white background. This is my favorite page. You've got the 3 birds with the flowers on a geometric background. You've got a page with the butterflies that you can fussy cut, another background, and another background as well. On that video on Friday, I have showed you that you can color this as well. So it's all white, it's not purple. So, but I showed you that you can layer your marks and use this as a coloring page if you wish to do so. So today, in the beginning of the year, I basically had a goal. It's a mini goal, it's a small goal. And my goal was to use up all these Tim Holtz paper dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We've got 18 left. So I'm getting there. It was a full pack. There was loads. And then I've got another DVD case full of Tim Holtz, the tickets, the ephemera tickets. So I want to use them as well. So today I'm going to be using 2 of those. So I will use this lovely, lovely lady with that beautiful dress and hat. And let's get a gentleman. So we do a gentleman and a lady. I do like this one and I do like this one. Yeah, I think I'm going to go for this one. So yeah, there's not many left. And I want to create like some monochrome embellishment. This is why I thought this kit was perfect. So because the Tim Holtz paper dolls, to be fair, they are not black. They got a bit of beige, greenish undertone on them. In fact, if I put it against a black, can you see they are absolutely no black? There is a lot of black and grey, but they got an undertone. So I wanted to use 2 of the butterflies. Now I think I'm going to go for this one. And I really, 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 really want to use that one. But I don't know if it's going to be too big. Do you know what? I'm going to go for it. So when I designed this kit, I designed it taking in account that, let me move it out of the way, that you guys could use it as a coloring page. On Amazon, I was watching a program on TV about Amazon bestsellers, and one of the category that sells very, very well on Amazon are coloring pages for adults. And there was I truly love the reasons behind it. It's because we are so stressed. Our lives are too stressy. So we got lots of going on, and coloring is a massive stress release. So I want to contribute to make your life less stressy. And it's true though. I don't know if you guys go do coloring, but when I do it, you feel better. You feel so relaxed and you don't have to think about anything. You just do your coloring and let your brain or mind guide you with choosing what color to use. Then there is another, which I'm not going to talk about it, but there is another aspect that opens about the theory of the colors and why we pick certain colors based on the mood, etc., etc. But I don't want to open that door to start a debate about colors and emotions. But it's so true. It's so true. We pick colors based on our moods at the moment. And yes, coloring is such a massive stress release. So she needs, no, does it need to be cut? No. So what I was thinking we would do, he's gonna have that, and I think it's a bit too small. Unless this is too big though. Let's get this enormous butterfly. Okay, so I've got that there. Yeah. So just gonna put some glue. And the good thing about black and white embellishment that you can put them anywhere, because you don't have to follow any sort of color palette. You don't have to follow any rules. You just simply do what you fancy with it. Okay, so they are done. Just need to let it dry for 2 minutes. And I prepped here, these are my favorite dies. So if you're familiar with my channel, you know how much I love this die set, which I can't find it now. It normally sits on my desk. Found it. Right, so what I've got here as well, I've die cut 2 of the film strips. I have this die not long ago, actually. I think it was from eBay, either eBay or Amazon. It's not branded, but I don't know if it's a rip-off or something from a designer, but I just got it from eBay. So what I wanted to do, I want to layer them. So I wanted to create a bit of dimension. So I'm going to use my dimensional. This is the mini dimensional from Stampin' Up. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to be able to see, and it's annoying because I need something white. Yes. So I wanted to see the embellishment on the back. I might just do it like that. Yes. So I'm just going to put because I wanted a lots of dimensions and textures and things like that. So I'm just gonna put, that's it. Just peel it backing off. My neighbor decided to cut the grass. So if you hear any noises on the background, sorry guys, I can't help it. Okay, so this is one. And then we're gonna do the same with the lovely lady. Just gonna put some foam pads, or dimensional as they call them. Peel the backing off. Okay, and then, oopsie, still there. And then we position the lady. Sorry, I don't know if I'm on camera or not, but I'm just trying to position in a way that you can see. Because I want it to be, yeah, perfect. Okay, let me get rid of these. Let's go straight in the bin. So then last week we made a video. Do you remember, guys? I showcased some of the washi tape I've got from Journal Say. In case you guys missed it, I will put the video at the end of this one. So I wanted to use some colors. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go for that. Just need some plain something on the back, so see, so I can use my glue. Now you need loads of glue, not as much as that that big blob. That's the only thing we like, this sort of like glue that comes up as a blob. Okay, so let me move that out of the way. Okay, so I'm just pressing it down and getting that glue away as well. Okay, so while it dries, well, I was a bit torn because I do like the blue one because I think it's going to look so nice against the black and white, but I also like the butterflies. So I don't know, I really don't know, because I do like that, but I also like this. I think I'm going to go with the butterflies purely because there is that butterfly, and I think if I position it there, unless trying to get as many butterflies as I can. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for that. Right, so let me just fold this in a half. Right, don't come out as a blob. She didn't listen to me, did she? She came out as blobs. I think, oh, I do like this though. Another time, another project, shall we say. Right, I'm gonna line them there so I can try to get as many butterflies as I can. A while ago, I think it was last year or the year, even the year before, we made, I used this this die, we made some film strips to decorate some junk journal page. If I find a video, I will put it at the end of this one as well. So okay, all right, so let's cut. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. Let me tidy up the desk a little bit. There's a lots of things going off in here. Right, so back to my embellishments. So we got the layers. So we got the ladies, we got the geometric, and we got the wings. Now I want this to be seen, but also not to be seen. So I think I'm gonna go with that. So I'm just going to lift the wing. And do the same. Now I don't want to try. Yeah, let's do that. Perfect. Guys, that is it. Just for some cute embellishment. Now you could go further and add, should we add another butterfly? I think I am, you know. I think I'm gonna do it. Just gonna add this butterfly. Oopsie, other way around. But as you guys know, when I do my butterflies, I like them to fly. I always lift the wings. That's it. So that is it for today. Just 2 cute embellishment ideas using the Tim Holtz dolls and my black and white butterflies. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Before we go, I got an exciting news for you. Okay. So throughout this month, throughout April, I'm offering a 40% discount across everything on my website because it's my 40th birthday. So yeah, throughout April, 40% discount, everything, including my ebook, my junk journal workshops, my digital papers, everything is in there. You get 40% discount. Just simply use the code 40OFF. Okay, 40OFF in capital letter, and I will put it here on the screen as well. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. And guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on Wednesday for another project. And until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.